Alright, welcome back everybody. My name is Pritesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you another video. So I hope you guys are all doing well. There is so much exciting news to talk about here in the cryptocurrency space, so just shut up and kiss me. No, seriously, the rockstar Gene Simmons has voiced his support for Cardano Ada. Simmons buys $300,000 worth of Cardano. Also, we see here Ethiopia hearing some news, and I wanted to just clear up some FUD or maybe some miscommunication. So an IOG partner has clarified some of the details regarding this, taking a look at Ethiopia launching their national identification system. Taking a look at some metrics, a snapshot comparison of coins using staking, Cardano Ada is on top, absolutely crushing it in all metrics across the board. And I wanted to go ahead and also take a look briefly at the price. So what we're taking a look at now with the price of Ada USD, we are approaching that $1 key psychological level. I wanted to take a look at some price charts as well as some historical data. So lots of interesting things to talk about here in this video today. All of that coming up right after our sponsor. Our sponsor for today's video is Paradise Staking. Paradise Staking is fully managed and ran by 360 Development Group. So they are working on relevant projects and are looking to integrate that into the Cardano blockchain. They did go ahead and apply for Fund 3 and Project Catalyst and looking to launch their own tokens to airdrop to their delegators to use with their dApps. So if you are looking to support a stake pool building on Cardano, build your Paradise portfolio with high staking rewards at Paradise Stake Pool. Thank you so much to Paradise Stake Pool for sponsoring today's video. So to get things started, I hope you guys liked my cheeky joke there at the beginning of this video. I thought it was really funny just to see the rockstar Gene Simmons coming out and showing his support for Cardano Ada. So the KISS bassist and frontman has stated that he believes in Cardano thanks to its affordability compared to other cryptocurrencies. I would have to say that I think that a lot of people entering into cryptocurrency are looking at Ada specifically for that reason. If we see what happened with Bitcoin breaking over $50,000, just today price of Bitcoin reaching a level where the market cap hit $1 trillion. So a lot of people, especially retail coming into the space, thinking to themselves, I could never afford just a single Bitcoin, not knowing that they can also buy fractions of a Bitcoin. But needless to say, I think that the lower price point for Ada is definitely something that people new and entering into the space are looking at. So Simmons praised Cardano's founder Charles Hoskinson's goal of helping developing emerging economies in Africa. Yes, absolutely. We're going to take a look at that here in this video today. Simmons had previously revealed that he was holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other virtual currencies, and also declared himself the god of Dogecoin. So it looks like Elon Musk has got his competition set out for him. So now with KISS's Gene Simmons coming out and spreading the good word about Cardano, could Elon Musk be next to dip his toes into Ada? Interesting to think about. Now, Gene Simmons mentioned in a tweet, why did he buy Ada in the first place? Well, for one thing, it's affordable to almost everyone. It's pennies compared to my other holdings like Bitcoin, which is over $50,000 a single coin. I believe everyone should be able to afford cryptocurrency, and here is one I believe in. Yep, rock on Gene Simmons. So rockstar Gene Simmons spreading the good word about Cardano Ada. Next up, I wanted to share some information related to Ethiopia. There are a lot of birds flying around, and I think everybody in the Cardano community is trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together to figure out what exactly that tweet was back when Charles Hoskinson mentioned something about birds in February. So what we have here is an article related to Ethiopia launching its national identification system. So something that Cardano is working extensively on is their Atala Prism identity solution. So it would make sense to see something like this if they were to partner with Ethiopia. Their Atala Prism solution could be that piece of the puzzle. But according to some updates from an IOG partner we see here in this article, that they did rectify some of the points that were made, saying that they can confirm they are not currently working with the Ministry of Peace. Although Africa-related news is in the pipeline, there is no ready announcement at this time. The basis for the article, Reddit thread, and local reports are based on speculation only, as we were informed. Atala Prism is not the basis for the digital identity system. So a little bit of wind knocked out of our sails there as far as the Cardano community expecting a partnership with Ethiopia. But we are anticipating something as far as an announcement from Charles Hoskinson related to the developments in this area. So looking forward to see what they can come up with. Of course, we'll keep you guys posted with concrete details as it comes out. So if you want to stay up to date with all of the relevant Cardano news, be sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure you click that notification bell so you know exactly when we post that video. Sharing with you all some metrics related to staking cryptocurrencies. So Cardano Ada, I would say hands down, has one of the easiest and most user-friendly staking experience. I was thinking about it the other day. A lot of people, especially on crypto Twitter, are talking about the drawbacks between Ethereum and their scaling issue and how Ethereum 2.0 is probably going to be a little late to the party. And in my mind, I was also going over the fact that in order to even participate in staking on Ethereum, you have to lock up 32 Ethereum. And I think at today's valuation, that puts you at over 60,000 US dollars. So thinking about the ease of use for the end user in terms of the staking experience, I think Cardano Ada is just miles ahead of the competition. We can see here, according to this comparison chart, we see the market cap of these related cryptocurrency. These are all color coded. Cardano Ada, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap in this chart. Also, we see the total daily transaction volume, just completely blowing everything else out of the water. Also, total daily transaction fees. We see the daily active addresses. Tron definitely got us beat there, total active addresses. But in terms of development, Git commits, Cardano most actively developed proof-of-stake blockchain. So really interesting to see. I think Cardano Ada has a very bright future ahead, especially as we move towards Goguen. Tentatively, the Merry Hard Fork Combinator event set for March 1st. We will see native assets on the Cardano blockchain, taking us one step closer towards a full Goguen release. Next up, I wanted to briefly touch on the price of Ada USD. So the price charts for Cardano are looking pretty amazing. I gotta say, from seeing the price back where it was not even just a few months ago to now, we are about to touch that key psychological level of $1. Lots of people holding Ada, looking at that level and thinking to themselves, what's going to happen when we hit that key level? So taking a look at the price chart for Ada USD, I've got it pulled up here on the daily time frame. I've got a few indicators that we're looking at. Namely, we've got the volume, the MACD, and the RSI. What we can see is that the price completely shot up within this short period of time. Even with this retracement, we can see this hammer candle bought up so quickly. So a lot of people are asking, is it too late to buy Ada? Well, people aren't waiting to buy from what we see with these candles. And what we see here is that the price right now, we've got a horizontal level of resistance that we are currently touching. And as far as the indicators, we can see that the MACD lines are looking like they're about to touch, maybe cross over if we do break bearish. But from all the bullish sentiment, I'm not sure if there's going to be a whole lot of downwards price action from here. But of course, just my speculation, just from looking at the price charts, just giving you all my opinion. We can see here also the histogram ticking downwards and also the RSI definitely in overbought territory. Let's go ahead and zoom out to the weekly time frame and we can see price of Cardano Ada just absolutely on a tear. I mean, just some significant price action over the past few weeks, going all the way from 35 cents, not just a few weeks ago, to now touching that key psychological level of $1. And if we look back in history, we can see some previous data. This is from CoinMarketCap. And I just wanted to show you some information here. This is going to be looking at previous historical data from the last cycle. So with the previous cycle back in the end of 2017, Bitcoin, of course, had this big blow off top, taking out the price, almost hitting $20,000. But altcoins, what's very interesting to note is that altcoins followed. So we saw the price pump for these altcoins happen after we saw that move for Bitcoin. And with that, we saw that we reached the all-time high for Cardano Ada back on January 4th of 2018, reaching all the way up to $1.33. Now, what's very interesting to note is that the price levels that we've held over $1, I don't think we've held price levels over $1 for any more than 4 to 5 days going back and taking a look at history. We can see one time here we had a close above $1. We've got 2, 3, 4. So in all of history, we've only ever had 4 days where we've really closed a price above $1. So definitely a significant level. We're keeping an eye on it and looking forward to see how the market reacts when we do hit that key psychological level. So guys, that is what I have for you all here in this video today. Let me know what you all think. Are you guys excited about what's happening with Cardano from a fundamental standpoint? Are you looking at the price and thinking to yourself, I need to buy more ADA? It's an incredibly exciting time to be a Cardano holder. All right, everyone. So that is what I have for you all here in this video today. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to drop a like for me before you head out today. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care.